Welcome back to Eat with Dawn. How is the foodie fam out there doing today? I hope y'all having a marvelous day. You know I am, and you know what I say. And the day above and the under, y'all, it's a blessed day. Now I'm gonna need y'all to help me sing. Come on. We're gonna mukbang. Y'all welcome back to another mukbang eating show. Y'all please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like these videos, and don't forget to share. Y'all sharing is care. Alright, so we're doing Diet Pepsi today. We gonna burp some Pepsi. How was everybody's day? How y'all doing?
I'm doing good, girl. I'm doing good.
You're doing good. I know she's been having a fantastic day. Cheers! Let's get started. That's good. Ooh.
I feel like you burped all over me.
That just, it came out just, ooh, it was just smooth. That one was kind of different, wasn't it? It was different. Normally they like, oh, let me see. I've been trying to practice, like really practice.
On command?
Happy.
Ooh.
Let me see if I can.
Preview.
Let me see. Okay, let's go. She's making me nervous. Oh my God. Why am I nervous? Like, for real though. Oh, okay. I feel like I don't know what I'm doing right now. This is some silly shit. Okay. Hold on. I've been doing it, y'all, for like 2 days, so I don't understand what the hell is going on right now with me.
It's not on command, man.
No. It's something new I'm trying. That, because I drank less soda. It's something new that I was trying, because whatever. But anyway, okay, let's do this one. So when I drink with these, I get bigger ones. But I'm practicing. Pepsi hitting tonight. Pepsi hitting tonight. Oh. I'm happy.
Yes, she is.
Burping is fun. Oh. Yo. That was a good one. Y'all see it? No, but for real though, burping is fun. Plus I get to like lay off the fast food, because I really haven't even been eating out a lot. You know, that's why I tend to go for more diet than regular soda. So I'm still trying to watch the sugar content and everything. But yeah, I like doing these burping videos. Jaleel was telling me for a while now to do more burping. Well, I got it now, Jaleel. Why you covering your ear?
Because it sounds like you about to vomit any minute now. Ew.
I'm not. That would be a sight. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
That would be a sight.
Ew.
This Pepsi though, it's really hitting tonight, y'all. Ooh. That was great.
You burp a lot. I think Dr. Pepper, I mean, no, Pepsi.
Pepsi, it's I'm gonna have to have a showdown. It's gonna be root beer.
I feel like you burped all over me.
Huh?
I just feel like you burped all over me. Like, oh my
It's gonna be
God.
between root beer, Pepsi, Coke, and Sprite. We're gonna have a showdown. Remember, Sprite was hitting. Now Pepsi hitting. Oh my gosh, hold on. I'll see y'all tomorrow, my loves.